Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Abigail R. Carmelim bringing you the Salesian news across the globe. The Salesian province of the southern Philippines and the Don Bosco Technical Institute of Cebu hosted this year the National Conference on Curricular Studies promoted by the Curricular Studies Association of the Philippines, CSAPI in English. The event took place on 25th and 26th November at the Don Bosco Retreat House in Lawan. The conference brought together a total of 178 educators and school administrators, 61 in person and 117 online, from different regions of the country. Some speakers, local and international, shared their experiences on various topics relating to curricular studies. Also present for the occasion was the FIS inspector, Don Fidel Orendian, who highlighted how perfecting curricular studies is fundamental, but transforming young people's aspirations into reality is even more so. The San Domenico Savio Parish of Bellflower, California, hosted last November 18 the celebrations for the 25 years of the Association of Dhama Salesianas in the western United States province. Founded by Maria Marquez with the unwavering support of Father Gail Sullivan, SDB, the association has grown over time to include a total of 24 members. The main mission of the Dhama Salesianas is to serve young people, children and the needy, and their initiatives range from the granting of scholarships to the distribution of meals on occasions such as Thanksgiving, up to the support of families with the help of psychologists. Additionally, through programs like Woman to Woman, they provide compassionate service to those who need it most. The Salesian congregation is present in another new nation. On the afternoon of 26 November 2023, the Solemnity of Christ the King of the Universe, the first three Salesians arrive in Francistown, the second largest city in Botswana. Father Vincent Tembo, Father Irwin Lumano, and the coadjutor Sylvester Mukamba, who were welcomed warmly from the Bishop of Francistown, Monsignor Anthony Rebello, SVD. Last July, the Rector Major, with the consent of his council, accepted the prelate's request to start a Salesian presence in his diocese. There are only two dioceses in the country, Francistown and Gaborone, the capital, which are part of the Episcopal Conference of Southern Africa. Initially, the local tribes of Botswana resisted the Catholic missionaries at the urging of the Protestant missionaries who arrived first. In 1889, the territory was entrusted to the Oblates of Mary Immaculate, and the German Oblates opened a presence in the southern part of the country near the capital in 1923. In 1930, the Marian Hill missionaries opened a presence in the northern part, the region where they arrived today, the Sons of Don Bosco. And in 1959, the entire country became an apostolic prefecture entrusted to the Passionists. The missionaries distinguished themselves by the creation of schools and clinics. Two youth events took place from 24 to 26 November in Alaris and Orange, the Campo Bosco and the Adolescents meeting. The young people involved in the Campo Bosco experience are part of youth groups in Galicia, Asturias and part of Castile and Leon. At the same time, the meeting of adolescents from the same area took place, which brought together 150 participants, including animators and recipients. As part of the Peit education itinerary, participants were asked to reflect on their dreams, starting from Jesus' proposal that Don Bosco experienced, and to undertake an inner journey through various experiences. The culmination of these two activities was the penitential celebration and the evening of coexistence with all the young people in Orange. From 19 to 25 November, the teams of the Pueblo de Dios program of the Spanish television TVE and of Misiones Salesianas, the missionary office of the Salesians in Spain, recorded a television program to talk about the activities and impact on the entire territory of the Don Bosco Social Center, Barranquilla, and the Don Bosco Training Center, Cali. At the same time, they also visited some Salesian works of the San Pedro Clava province of Colombia, Bogota. The program will air on the International Spanish TV channel in 2024 and the respective broadcast dates will be announced. We thank TVE for this pleasant gesture of recognition of the Salesian mission carried out in Colombia in favor of the poorest and most vulnerable young people, said the Salesians. So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Till we meet again, thank you for joining us.